The voice of the customer relates to customer requirements and feedback so that companies can take action to provide customers with high-quality products and services. Businesses must understand that customer feedback is essential to helping them improve the products or services they provide. Implementation of effective VOC programs can improve customer satisfaction, which, in the end, improves a company's profits. Companies that maintain a VOC program usually experience high revenue gains compared to those who do not incorporate a VOC program into their business. Bringing in the voice of the customer to fuel innovation in an organization helps to solidify a competitive advantage. An effective VOC program allows the use of structured mechanisms to listen to customers so that companies can act on the information customers provide. If businesses don't understand their customers, it makes it nearly impossible to meet customer expectations and therefore difficult to improve a company's performance. The bottom line is that VOC programs can have a direct impact on the business. Another reason why VOC is important to companies is that it helps eliminate marketing risks. Capturing VOC and immediately acting on it can save a business from developing a bad reputation that can impact profitability. Customer feedback is used to learn about what people like and dislike about the business. It can help identify what products or services they want to see more of, allowing identification of new opportunities. This helps companies to plan new developments and have successful launches. By bringing VOC into a company and acting on the feedback, companies can expect increased revenue, improved processes, reduced costs, and a customer-centered culture.